Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Have you enjoyed your holidays? Played? All should play well, okay? Then let us start our class with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. God, my loving Father, help me to study well. Help me to behave well. God, keep me, my parents, my teachers, and my friends safe in your hands. Thank you, God. Do you remember we started our second lesson? Animal world, isn't it? Till pet animals we finished. And today we are learning the homes of animals. That means where animals live. Homes of animals. That means where animals live. Where animals live. Do you know where animals live? See, in this lesson, some pictures are given. Zebra is here, cow is here, and camel. Then, animals like tigers, lions, elephants, deer, zebras, cows, camels, dogs, and cats live on land. We know all these big animals, most of the big animals live on land. Animals live on land. And some animals like fish, octopus, and turtle. These all live in water. These all live in water. Okay, so some are land animals and some are water animals. Okay, then next, animals like monkeys, birds, and squirrels. Monkey, bird, and squirrels live in trees. So some are live in trees. Most of the birds live in trees, and you might have seen squirrels always run here and there on a tree. Then some animals like frogs, crocodiles, and hippopotamus live both on land and in water. Frog, crocodile, hippopotamus. These are able to live both on land and in water. If you might have observed a frog, you can see sometimes it lives in water and sometimes we can see them on land. We can see some frogs in water and after some time they are coming to the land. Okay, so they are able to live both on land and in water. ഫ്രോഗിന് വെള്ളത്തിലും കരയിലും ജീവിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. On land and in water. Okay, then so once more listen all of you. See, some big animals live on land. Zebra, cow, and camel. And some animals live in water. Fish, crocodile, and turtle, ama. And some animals live in trees. Monkey, bird, and squirrel. And some are able to live both on land and in water. So these are the places where animals live. Next, what animals eat? Do you think you are taking food? No, every day you are taking food. What animals eat? Yes, animals also need food to grow. Food to grow. We studied we need food to grow. Animals also need food to grow. And see, different animals eat different types of food. Okay, some animals eat leaves, some animals eat flesh. Okay, and some animals eat both leaves and flesh of other animals. ചില അനിമൽസ് ലീവ്സ് ഒക്കെ കഴിക്കും, ചില അനിമൽസ് ഫ്ലഷ് കഴിക്കും, ചില അനിമൽസ് രണ്ടും കഴിക്കും അല്ലേ. ലെറ്റ് us see. Animals also need food to grow. Animals need food to grow. And different animals eat different foods. Some animals like cows, goats and elephants eat what? Cow, goat, elephant eats what? Leaves and grass. Leaves and grass. And some animals like hens, mice eat grains. Mice means rat. Hens, mice eat grains. ചെറിയ ചെറിയ അരി, ഗോതമ്പ്, ഇതൊക്കെ പോലത്തെ പയറ്, ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ആര് തിന്നുന്നത്? റാറ്റ്, മൈസ് ആൻഡ് ഹെൻസ്. Hens, they eat grains. Hens and mice eat grains. Hens and mice eat grains. Hens and mice eat grains. And some animals like lions, tigers eat the flesh of other animals. So, lion and tiger eat flesh. So you can see some animals eat leaves and grass. Who are eating leaves and grass? Cow, goat, elephant, all these. And some animals eat grains. Hens, mice, all these eat grains. And some animals eat flesh. Lion, tiger and all eat flesh of other animals. And see, what do our pet animals eat? What do our pet animals eat? What about lovebirds? They eat grains. Okay. What about dog? They eat flesh and other foods. Milk, they drink milk. Cat drinking milk and eating what? Flesh, all these, and small insects, all these. Fish they are eating. Dog eats fish, cat eats fish. Okay, so flesh they are eating. Then the giraffe is the tallest animal. Which is the tallest animal? See its height. Giraffe is the tallest animal. And cheetah is the fastest animal. It can run fast. Cheetah fastest animal. Giraffe tallest animal. Okay. So today we learned where do different animals live. Some are living on land. Some are living in water. Some are living in both land and in water. And next we learned the food of animals. Some eat flesh and some are eating leaves and grass and some are eating grains. So all of you name the tallest animal. Yes, tallest animal is what? Giraffe. Tallest animal is giraffe. All of you name the fastest animal. Fastest animal, cheetah. Fastest animal, cheetah. All of you spell the word giraffe. 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 Spell the word Giraffe. 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 Cheetah. All of you spell the word cheetah. 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 So today all of you read this lesson. I'll send you question answers. Okay.